Welcome to a new video. Today, I'll show you how to join the LSSC platform and start investing in scooters step by step. First, after signing up or logging into your LSSC account, the first step is to choose the scooter you want to invest in. Browse the available scooters and select the one that fits your budget or investment goal. Once you've chosen a scooter, click on the Rent button. Next, you'll be taken to the payment page. Here, you need to select your preferred payment method, usually in cryptocurrency like USDT or USDC. Once you select your payment method, you'll be given a wallet address or a link to send the funds to. This is the address where you'll send the payment from your crypto wallet, like Binance or Trust Wallet. Very important, make sure you send the exact amount to the correct address and using the correct network, like TRC20. After sending the funds, wait a few minutes. The payment will be confirmed automatically, and just like that, you've successfully invested in the scooter of your choice on the LSSC platform. From here, you'll start earning profits based on the investment plan linked to your scooter. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss an update on digital investment platforms.